Hi everyone, this is Shannon with Scrappin' with Shannon, and I'm here to show you how to use this paper pad, the Wizard World paper pad, to make this super quick and easy party invitation. So I cut out this envelope template using Cricut Design Space. It's just a standard template. So I'm going to go ahead and make this envelope and add a little flair to it. So there is in the paper pack this super cute paper that has Hedwig the Owl and Ron and Hermione and Harry. And I fussy cut out the owl, and I'm going to adhere him to the closure of the envelope. Now, I made sure not to use adhesive on the entire owl because I want to be able to open and close the envelope. But basically, it is Hedwig delivering this to you just like he would in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. So I have also cut out a piece of that paper. You can use the bottom half of it. I'm going to cut this to 3.75 by 5.75, and then I'm going to back it with a little bit of gold cardstock, and then I'm going to use one of the other papers from this paper pack, this diagonal stripe paper, and I'm going to add a layer on there, and that is cut 4 by 6. And then I've got this cute little greeting that says you were invited to a magical celebration. And once I have adhered that, then basically that is it. But it is super, super easy to use this paper pack to make this cute little invitation. It obviously, you're watching this in real time. It takes just a few minutes to do that. The only time consuming part of it would be to fussy cut out that owl. But other than that, it is super quick and easy, and I think it turns out so, so cute. This paper pad has several designs on it, and it's a lot of fun to use. And I am, for one, very super excited as a Potterhead. I am super excited to be able to use that. Now you'll see I've just got that layered on there, and it fits right there in the envelope, and voila, it's done. Take care, everyone, and have a magical day. Bye-bye.